chỉ bay u le pathian kai hroina le ven in July ni song pani zirtom ni sang ni som ni pali dam takin kan lo thleng ve le tareng mai min hruai tu pathian chunga lom thu kan soi tak meu ani e Mizoram Chief Minister Pu Laldoma chu som ani angin khovela mi ho saber te zingami Mukesh Ambani fa anan Ambani te in nei mang turin voin khan thlona in lengpui airport atangin a thlok liam ta vung mai Mukesh Ambani fa te anan Ambani te hi zanin dariata Jio World Center ani nei dona ani nei hi chong thum dawin ani don ni om tak ania July ni song pani ni song pathum le ni song pali ati hian Inneihna alom na le akal chhoje lakha an mang chodon ani khovel mi ho saber te jingami an ni boka an Inneihna hian khovela politics lama milang sate le celebrities te an kim to khat hle turangai ani ole tun kan video hian Chief Minister Pu Laldoma Mukesh Ambani fata inei mang tura an somna wedding card adong laite tin lengpui airport atanga inei mang tura thlok suak laite kan thlir dona chuba ka chuan Singapore nulaten Pulal Doma du sakna an hlan laite le Taiwan Expo 2024 a Pulal Doma thu soi lai short video te kan thlir ho dona ni ilo thlir ho tiang somna
This is invitation. Ambani and Radhika. And this is the second son of Ambani Sabha. This is invitation. 110. Nita Ambani, Mukesh Ambani. This is invitation for 12. This is 12 or 13 any day.
At Bharat Assembly and
Timing at 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Where's the place?
Mumbai.
Mumbai, sir.
July ni song pani Janudar thum
12 or 13, sir. Any day.
12 and 13. And
This is quotation from Rigveda.
I am the same as you. You are the same as me.
It's quotation from the Holy
And I
Rigveda.
And this one.
This is ideal. This is silver and gold, sir.
Silver and gold.
Yes.
Real silver and real.
Yes, sir. This is silver and gold, sir.
I see. How much will be the value?
I don't know.
Fanu mana pasalan ikanin invitation sem kan boy kan singa value kan dia.
Pakat mo.
Oh, ni o afan kan.
Invitation pakat ati.
Tu ne rohisu papa chuam de klema adu
This one cut myself, sir.
kan puin Mumbai apan na tur ani a
Ang nilampong na to.
an nal reu mai so andawin ring ran to a ite
Nang reo na repiyon to.
ya kalam malaw he thi VTR VRR
Mani Vice President kalna.
Singapore ni so luna ten za na chi bai kan ka che kai pung thar ni pui sarkar nang le thopui te jong sam chunga hian ni so ram kan ram le thun siam thatur hian ke ni Singapore ra ni so luna na thoka om te hian rin na kan khata Singapore ram te tak te en kol tu an ram fry tu te mishing pa ngai ve thawin ti khopa an ram an en kol thata khobe la po ber ni na kong tam taka an nei pui thei chuan nang lei ho te hian an ni ang em chu han thuk lo mai la Mizoram hi tun aya le tam takin isiam that heyang ani ti kan chianga dik tak le fel taka kan ram in kai shwai chuan malam hun local zia tura ke ni Singapore Mizoruna sarkara ther lo le mi mal ham shan na ingma be se nei lo voters sang hal te hi lam kan tang tlat ringang kan ram ka thatak le dik taka in kai shwa he na du sang sang ber kan hla na cheu chumi ti thei nge tura ata shia na tha nei tur pon kan phak tok te ren chang ang tok te kan tho khom hi Mizoram chan na tok sang pui ngai te atu la te nga in lo man turin lom takin cheng mai kha sira le sanga hi kan hla na cheu kan lo me Mizoram Singapore
Moving on next, I would like to invite Honorable Duhoma, Chief Minister of Mizoram, to please join us on stage for his remarks. Let's have a big hand for him.
Good morning, all of you. Taitra Chairman James C.F. Wang, Director Cynthia Kiang, my friend Ambassador Boshuan Ger, Sri Manish Sharma, Chair, Fiki, and respected dignitaries, and distinguished members, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to be invited as the guest honor for this prestigious Taiwan Expo 2024. Allow me to commend Taiwan's remarkable journey of economic development, technical innovation, and cultural richness, which offers valuable lessons and opportunities. Mizoram is keen to strengthen these ties and explore new avenues of cooperation. Mizoram's strategic location in the Northeast India makes it an ideal gateway to Southeast Asia, which is in line with Government of India's Look East, Now Act East policy. My government is focused on enhancing infrastructure, promoting trade, and fostering a business-friendly environment, for which we have recently formulated Mizoram Investment Policy. Today, I would like to extend my heartfelt invitation to the Taiwanese companies to explore the potential of Mizoram and become partners in progress. Mizoram and Taiwan share a rich cultural tapestry with similar topography and climate, as both it pass by the Tropic of Cancer. Apart from the similar food habits, for which Ambassador Ger is a witness to you all, as he has come to celebrate our biggest festival, Chapcharkut, in Mizoram. I am happy that we have two delegations from Mizoram in Taiwan right now. Let us continue to promote cultural exchange to deepen understanding and appreciation of each other's traditions, arts, and heritage, thereby strengthening people-to-people ties, promoting tourism, and creating new opportunities in creative industries. Mizoram has the second highest literacy rate in India. Our each are well versed in English and are hardworking and honest. With the India-Taiwan Labor Mobility Agreement soon coming into effect, I hope to see our youth will come to work in Taiwan and for Taiwanese companies in India. Education and technology are the cornerstones of progress. I am happy that Mizoram University has an MOU with two universities in Taiwan, NCHU and Ishao. I wish to invite Taiwan universities and tech companies to partner with us for skill development, research, and innovation, and equip our youth with knowledge and skills for a rapidly changing world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Lal Duhoma, Chief Minister of Mizoram. Thank you for addressing all of us.